Hey guys, it's your girl Intricate and I'm back with another video. Oh my gosh. Today we're going to be doing Let's Talk Tech episode 3. Oh my gosh, I'm actually excited. This is going to be a real short video. It's going to be a real quick run through, but I just wanted to give you guys a few gems. You know how I do. Today I'm just going to be giving you a few websites where you can go and learn how to code. I know a lot of people want to kickstart their coding journey or start their education in a certain language or programming or start learning it, but they're not sure where to go or what to look for or what courses are good. So I'm just going to give you guys a few websites really quickly where you can go have a look and get started. All right? Is that all right? Okay, let's go. I'm going to give you 5 websites and I have used all 5 of these websites. Of course, I'm not going to give you websites that I have not used, but some of these I've used specifically for coding and programming and some I've used for other things. But I find these websites so useful when it comes to picking up something new. So the first website, you guys have probably heard me say it before because I always go on about it, but it's Code Academy. I used this website heavily when I was at Makers doing my bootcamp for 3 months and training to be a software engineer. And I feel like it really helped. I learned Ruby on there. I also learned another programming language, but I cannot remember right now which one that was. But it was really good. I think the way that it is taught is very good in a sense that as you learn, you are applying what you're taught inside the actual course. So it's not like you learn a bunch of things and then you go and do a quiz at the end of it. It's like it teaches you like a little bit, then it has a section where you actually apply that little thing you just learned, and it keeps going like that. But every time you're applying it, you're building on the thing you've previously done, so you're actually seeing it grow and formulate into a real program, which I really enjoyed. The way it's broken down, it doesn't make it feel like a big scary task. And the good thing is that the courses range in difficulty, so if you're a beginner like I was, you can just start at a level that suits you. You don't have to go to the advanced levels. There are beginner courses there. And did I mention it's free? Did I forget to mention it's free? Yes guys, it's free. So HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, Java, SQL, I don't know what you want to learn, but it's there and it's free. The next one is EDX. So EDX I used when I did my Introduction to Artificial Intelligence course with Microsoft. This was way before I thought I was going to do anything in tech, but I just kind of stumbled across EDX. My dad told me about EDX because he likes using it to learn new things. So I said, let me see what's on there. And I saw it and I was like, oh, this is interesting. And I did the course, I got my certificate, I put it on my LinkedIn, like it's all legit guys. And EDX have thousands of courses. Like they have so many courses. It ranges from like very small courses like bite-sized beginner courses to like master level courses that you actually get a master's certificate. So there's loads on there, but obviously there's a lot of paid courses, but there's a lot of free courses as well. So if you're a beginner and you just want to find the basics of any language, it's going to be there, and there will be a free version. Sometimes you have to pay to do like a quiz at the end to get a certificate, but most of the time the actual content is free to learn. I just found EDX was really useful. I like the way it was set out because the one I did, it was a video, so it was kind of like a short lecture, whereas Code Academy, it wasn't video, it was like text and like very interactive on the screen. EDX was more like, okay, this is a 5 or 10 minute video talking about the topic, and then there's a quiz after or something to solidify your knowledge, and then back to the 10-minute lecture. It felt more professional in a sense because it's like a taught course. That might just be the course I did, I don't know, but I found it very useful. And you can filter things by like kind of category. So if you don't really know what you want to learn, you don't have to put in a specific language. You can just put programming, or you can just put computer science, or you can put mobile development. Whatever you're looking for, whatever your flavor is, you'll probably find it there. The third website I'm going to say is Khan Academy. Just like Code Academy, it has a range of courses going from like, you know, the fundamentals, beginner level, all the way to like the experts and the advanced stuff. So don't worry, you'll find something at the level you want. I also think Khan Academy has like a large community, so you can learn, but you can also really discuss what you're learning with other people. For me, I didn't use Khan Academy specifically for programming. I used it for a maths course. I was unique. Literally one day in secondary school, it was summer holidays, no one asked me to do this. Like, I was bored, got my mum's laptop and went online to find like a maths course to do, because everybody knows I was a maths babe. I'm a tech babe now, but at heart I'm always going to be a maths babe. So I found Khan Academy. I just had a really good experience with Khan Academy. I think the details they went into and the way they explained it, I really did understand what I was learning, and I really did absorb it and take it in, and it actually helped me in life, guys. The people watching this that know me, yeah, Khan Academy, that course, if you were wondering, that's why the maths was mathing. On to the next, Code Wars. Code Wars is like, the way it's structured is kind of like challenges, like little challenges you have to, you know, complete, and each challenge gets a little bit harder, but it kind of takes you to the end solution once you complete the challenges. So it's kind of a bit like Code Academy in the sense that you're building on something to get to the end product, but it's a bit more, I think it's a bit more fun. I haven't used it that much. I've only used it a couple of times while I was on Makers. It was more like I'm learning, but it's like problem solving, and yeah, it was a different style, should I say. So yeah, I think I would recommend Code Wars if you want, you know, something different than the conventional, you know, here's some text, okay, now do it. You can learn a range of languages again, C#, Python, Java. I don't know, like, what do you want to learn? It's probably going to be there. And last but not least, I think I even saved the best till last. You guys have probably all heard of it, is Udemy. I think it's Udemy. I don't know how to say it, but I think I can probably say whatever course you're looking for, you're going to find it there. Obviously, there's a lot of courses you need to pay for, but there's a lot of free ones as well. And even the ones you need to pay for, they're relatively cheap. They have a lot of sales going on. They often have sales where the courses are like down to like £9.99 or like £20. But like I said, a lot of them are free. There are thousands of courses, thousands. Whatever level, whatever course, whatever language is, I'm telling you, it's actually there. Like, it's actually there. Udemy is such a massive platform, and I think it's something that I've been using more recently. I'm starting at my job, being a software engineer. I think whenever I'm curious about a language or want to learn about something, Udemy is the go-to, because I know I'm going to find it there, and I know it's going to be good content. I think just try it out for yourself. And one thing I really do like about it is that, okay, maybe I just want to learn HTML. I can go there and learn it, but it doesn't have to be so specific. It can just be web development in general. It can be game development in general. The angles, the level you want to go to is going to be there. So yeah, guys, that's it. Just a quick one, but those are 5 websites that I think, if you're trying to learn something new, especially for programming, I would recommend to use. I'm only showing websites that I have used before. I just thought, you know, some people ask me, oh, where do I get started? How did you learn? How did you get into it? Because obviously everyone knows it was a career change for me. But yeah, these are places to get started. I just recommend just going for it. Like, what's the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is you just not starting. If you start and you don't like it, fair enough. If you start and you don't finish it, fair enough. But just start. Especially if you're interested and you're looking for somewhere to start, just go for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your girl Intricate on another episode of Let's Talk Tech. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. You know the vibe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.